it's Zahid from Guilty Heroes. Today is the second class of Revit. We will learn how to create a project template through this video. When you start a new project in Revit, you need a template that you can use to complete the project. A template is just like a format in which you will get family templates, unit settings, and an articulated user interface. You can make a project template in two different ways. The first one is newly create and the second one is customize default template. So let's start spur the moment. Alright friends, this is the Revit home screen 2021. This is the previous project which I have done, and this is the previous family template. So now we need to create a new project template. Just click new under the models and then select none and then click project template and then click OK, and you need to choose one, imperial or metric, and then you will get a project template which you need to complete all settings like unit settings, family settings, and other settings. Alright, let's set up our project template. First of all, view and user interface, project browser, and properties, and then unit settings. You need add length, meter, and 3 decimal places and symbol meter, suppress trolling, then OK. Alright guys, first of all need to set scale. The scale is 1:100 and detail level fine. And see the project browser. Here it is only showing one floor plan and one clean plan. There is no elevation exist. So how to create elevation in project browser? So let's start elevation. Just click view and then click elevation and click elevation, and this is west elevation. How to rename it? Double click and west elevation. Alright, my 4 elevation has been complete. Now I want to set more floor plans. How to add floor plans? Just double click each elevation and select this and copy the label 3 meters, and then again copy 3 meters, and see I created 2 more labels. So just remain this one, label 2, label 3. So I stretch this level for wide range of view. So already I created 2 additional labels, but my project browser showing 1 level. So how can solve it? First view and plan views, floor plan, select both and then OK. So see here already created 3 labels. So guys, my label is complete. So guys, how to add family template? Just click insert and load family, then go to your family location, library English doors residential. Okay, When you insert this family, then check is it okay or not. See, my door is already added, and if I need another family, then load family, window, and this one size okay. So let's take family window. See, my window family already added, and then save this template. Extract new template and then save. Alright friends, this is the second option of project template. This is the more useful template which you can use for your own template. So let's start our second option, how to create a your own template. Let's start. First of all, click new and select a template, by default metric template, and then click project template and then OK. This is the default template. You can set this scale as per your requirement, 1:100, and the detail level is fine. If you want more level, then you can add it. And elevation, there are 4 elevations, so go to elevations and you can set elevation scale, and detail level here is fine. North elevation 1:100 and detail level fine. South elevation 1:100 and fine. West elevation. So if you want add more level, then select this level and copy this level meters. You can drag it for wide range of view. So see, here already added level 1, level 2 and level 3. Okay, already add a level, but my project browser showing 2 levels. Go to view and plane views and floor plans, and then select this and then OK. So see, here is 3 level added. So friends, how to set family template. So first click wall, then you will see many types of wall, edit type, and you will see many walls. So I just want only generic 200 wall, and then I want to remove whole wall except this wall. How to remove this one? So first go to project browser and you will have family. Click family and go to wall and then go to basic wall, then select all wall, then delete it. OK. You can delete it by this way. So I want generic 200 millimeter and generic 150 millimeters. First was 200 edit type and then duplicate it and 150 rename, then OK, edit type and go to 150, then OK, click OK. So my wall set is done. If the family missing here, then you can add here. So you see my window family is not loaded. So how can add the window family? First insert and load family and go to window family. Here is the window family and select a window, then open it and then select size and then OK. See my window already loaded. So if you see the some family are not loaded, so you can add this family by insert and load family, then you will get the family here. So friends, if you see the family is not loaded here, then you can add your family from insert and load family and select your family location and then click open, then it will add your family location, then you will use it into your project easily from here. And now save this template. Start zoom in template, new template 1. Save. Alright friends, we have learned from this video how to create a template and how to customize the default template. If you set your customized template on Revit, please watch my previous video Revit class 1. So if you think this video is very helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.